It's a little one.
I didn't pull on that one.
You get all these fish have been hitting. Well, most of them have been hitting. Oh, I know what's wrong. Here's the crack. Yeah, yours has got the crack.
It keeps
Taking
sinking.
on water. Change that.
I wonder why it kept sinking like that.
Yeah. These shadow rats, man, they crack really easy on the sides. Like you can literally squeeze them and they're cracked. That's the downside of these. Try try that.
Which one are you throwing? What color are you throwing?
The Table Rock Special. It's that purple back.
Say, out of these two,
Go.
It's
They want a long pause. God. Look at how this one's got this thing ate, dude.
damn. Good
And he
fish, too.
wanted.
Out of these two here.
That one right there. One belly. Folks, I don't know if y'all can see this, but look how this fish ate this jerkbait. That's wanting it.
It held it.
Give me a pliers then, bub. This one is gonna be I'm about to do surgery, I think. Hey, I got him loose. Stick him in the box.
Didn't see that one. That probably wouldn't be bad.
I would stick with that one's belly.
Oh, I'm going to for now.
Stick him in the box for me. They're wanting a long pause. I'm basically just doing a twitch, pause, twitch, pause kind of cadence. And it's killing them, look.
Another one?
Yep. They want that big long pause to it. God, look at the spot. Look at that. Wow. Buddy, we're gonna name you Spot.
Spot.
Yep, this one here is getting named Spot. See you later, Spot.
Spotter.
Ah! Missed it. He hit it on the pause. He just took off with it. Okay. Oh, nice one. Need net. Yeah, we're gonna net.
Hey, man, I love the way these fish fight.
I know it. Bring him here. Keep your rod up. Give me some slack.
These are good fish, too.
Alright, bring him up. Good fish. Ooh. That's another 2 3/4, 3 pound. That's another nice one. Another nice one. It's a right nice one. I think we figured out what they want.
Good pliers, that too. Up there by you.
My bad.
Pretty good. That's what closed his mouth.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Hate it when that happens.
Oh yeah.
That nerve's definitely going in the box.
Good beauty.
Yeah, we got a broken back.
Huh?
His back
Yeah,
broke.
I see it. Golly, man, these fish were solid.
Yeah.
Now I think if we had a bass tournament right here, I think we might win. No,
Maybe.
we wouldn't win. You never know.
Oh my.
That's the way mine was, dude.
What the hell? Did I lose it? I lost him. I lost him,
Like
man.
it just felt like you were snagged.
Yeah.
Then it
That
started
was a
moving.
hell of a fish.
Yeah. Like I started to lift my rod, start flicking it up like I was snagged. He started pulling. I was like, well, golly.
Yeah. They just want that long pause.
I noticed so too.
Got him that time.
Nice.
I got him that time. It's a little one. Oh, it's a largie. Oh, we got a nice largie.
He's a nice one too.
Oh, did he come off?
He's a decent little largemouth.
Yeah. A right nice one.
Yeah.
For this river, that's a right nice one.
Yeah, they were stacked up on that rock bank right there for a minute.
We're going to turn around and go back. We're going to fish our way down through here and we'll fish downstream. That largie, he came off at the point.
Did he?
Yeah.
Another one?
Ah! Couldn't catch him.
That's the way, yeah.
I couldn't catch him. I can't tell how big this one is. Oh, not bad. Not a bad one. Not a bad one at all. Look how he's eating it though. Nah, I get it. Once I get him up here. I think I might have a good color here, don't you think?
What's that?
I think I may have a good color.
Yep.
Yeah, there's another one's gonna go in the box.
Probably called him too.
Damn, he bit my hook up before. Got him? You got. He doubled up.
Ah!
Oh, he come
No!
off. That was a good one too.
Yes, he was.
Oh!
Dang.
What we got in the box now?
I think that makes 5.
Nope, that's 4. That's all we need. 2 for each. Oh shit! Right at the boat. Right at the
Easy
boat.
now. Come here, Lucille. Come on up on you, big girl. She inhaled this one too. Check that out.
Yep.
You want that one too?
Give me the pliers in the boat.
Look at it.
My hooks are all screwed.
Here you go.
And I ain't got any more small hooks. These fish are just bending these hooks.
It's because they got some weight to them.
Oh. And look, almost every one of my hooks is
Yeah.
bent.
Could be why you're missing a couple.
Yeah. That's why
Hold
I'm
on,
pulling
girl.
off.
Hold on.
Another one.
Easy now. Easy.
Got another one.
I need to get this freaking thing off and get back in there.
Now this is the kind of jerkbait bite that I like.
Be nice to me. Is that a good smallmouth? What you got? Doubled up here?
Doubled up!
I think we found our go-to.
Yep. Found a couple colors that'll work. Right off that concrete point. This is my favorite color right here too.
Yeah.
Table rock special or something like that. Or at least that's what Berkeley calls it. The Berkeley jerkbaits that I use. Slow down the number of twitches that you use.
Okay.
Like I'm doing a pop, pause, pop, pop, pause.
And you get that. Oh, thing's darting.
Yeah. That's because I got him hooked in the top of the head. He swiped at it. See,
That's good
he just
color.
snagged in the top of the head.
He don't know what to think.
Whoa!
I could have netted him too.
That's alright. I ain't worried about it. At this point, I really don't care.
Shit, I so thought you.
That's alright. I'm gonna work mine pretty fast, see what happens.
There's your
Weasel. Or mink. It's a mink. Oh my god, net. This one might have to get the net. No, he's not. I just got him hooked sideways. I had him hooked in the side.
They love that collar, don't they?
Yeah, they do. That's how you do it! We kicking bass and taking names. They just want that long pause. Oh, he got one. See if I can't double up real quick.
I bet we gotta hurry up.
Yeah.
What?
Doubled up. Yeah. I paused it before I went to reel it in and started cranking and the rod is loaded up. Alright, ready?
Yeah. Two of them.
Get this out away from the bank. jerkbait fish.